In a digital-first, AI-supercharged world, never before has creation and provision of IT infrastructure been more critical. They are expected to run 24/7 by 365 without any hitch or glitch and constantly scale up on demand. One company has been quietly doing this for the past 30 years. Broadcom Tech Services Private Limited. Ensuring systems stay secure, connected, and scalable. Broadcom's journey began in 1996 with a modest 100 square feet office when two determined founders decided to create an IT infra company that goes beyond providing solutions and partnering clients to help meet their goals. Today, Broadcom has evolved into an end-to-end IT infrastructure and technology services company, serving over 100 clients across India and globally. From infrastructure consultancy to deployment, network architecture design to implementation, and server management to application development, through its specialist bespoke development arm, Span IT Solutions Private Limited, Broadcom has built deep capabilities across the technology ecosystem, which also includes specialized IT talent recruitment services and on-site manpower deployment. Its unwavering commitment to keeping its customers always connected, always operational, always a future-ready, has made them a go-to partner for clients across multiple industries.
At Broadcom, we have always believed that clients don't just need vendors, they need dependable partners who understand their business deeply. Being tech neutral and agile, we integrate seamlessly into their ecosystem, delivering scalable, cost-effective solutions. This has helped endure and grow our client relationships over the decades.
Broadcom has demonstrated this commitment across industries.
In high-pressure situation, Broadcom has always responded with calmness and clarity. Their team knows how to prioritize, troubleshoot, and resolve issues without creating unnecessary panic. That maturity is important when you're dealing with critical IT infrastructure.
For a leading global healthcare GCC, Broadcom enables application development, AI ML, and IoT initiatives through specialized medico-technical talent.
Their responsiveness and technical depth has been really excellent.
For a global consulting leader, it manages complex networking and large-scale technology deployments.
Broadcom has always been reliable, responsible, and result-driven.
For one of India's fastest-growing airlines, Broadcom supports mission-critical IT infrastructure and maintenance across airports and operational hubs.
Their team has helped us successfully navigate complex business problems in the age of 24/7 business support.
It also powers enterprise IT infrastructure, digital transformation, and specialist manpower solutions for one of India's leading integrated marketing groups.
Broadcom has never felt like an outside vendor to us. In fact, they work like an extension of our very own team. What actually stands out is the ability that they understand our business requirements and not just infrastructure requirements.
Broadcom is a trusted partner for technology recruitment and workforce solutions for some of India's top IT organizations.
Broadcom is not a vendor. They have been our tech partners for over 30 years. Anand and Prasanna have understood our requirements as a marketing and communication services company and have always ensured we have the right tools and infrastructure so that we can be on top of our game in a fiercely competitive market. From basic computerization to the internet and cloud infra era, and now the internet age, Broadcom has scaled up its capabilities, resources, and services to ensure that as an organization, we're able to leverage the power of AI. Their teams work as a part of ours and spare no efforts to ensure we're always on.
Today, industries are rapidly embracing AI, machine learning, deep learning, and industrial IoT as core business operations. With proven success in large industrial environments and global enterprise engagements, Broadcom sees these developments as its next phase of growth. Therefore, Broadcom is expanding its capabilities and increasing its global footprint to build deeper engagements across high-growth sectors in India, the GCC, and North America.
The opportunities ahead are enormous. Our focus now is to invest in talent, which will help us grow into a globally respected technology services company.
From a tin-roofed office in Mumbai to a multidisciplinary, multi-location technology enterprise, Prodcon's journey reflects resilience, high customer centricity, and relentless commitment. At the heart of this journey are its people, 150 plus professionals driven by one belief that technology should empower businesses to move forward with confidence. As the world of business surges ahead, becomes more dependent on always-on infrastructure, Prodcon will ensure its clients are always on.